there, how are you today? And welcome to Let's Cook It. Today I'm gonna show you an easy way how to make a yummy breakfast quesadilla. So to begin, we're gonna butter the flour tortilla, and I'm using here garlic butter. And you put enough amount on one, you put the other one on top of it, and tap it a little bit. Then both have perfect amount of butter. I have here green pepper, red pepper, orange pepper. I'm gonna slice it julienne first, dice it very fine diced. The quesadilla we're making today, it's a personal size and easy to work with. Red onion, very fine chop as well. We're only cracking 3 eggs with the vegetables, with the chopped vegetables. So pepper, salt. Let's mix it together. And look at that beautiful filling for the breakfast quesadilla. Put it on a side, and now we're gonna mix some salsa and avocado. And let's squeeze the avocado out into a bowl. Smash the avocado. Just a quick smash. Then we're gonna add the salsa, and I'm using here the mild salsa. Give it a quick mix. I almost forgot the lime. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit lime juice. Your stove on a medium low on both. Vegetable oil, and the mix here, it's roughly about 1/3 of the cup. Now look how easy you can flip it with the spatula. Now we're gonna put the tortilla, the butter face down, cheese, and I'm using here a mix of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Then the eggs goes on top. A little avocado and salsa. Give it about 2 minutes just to have a nice golden color in the bottom and crispy. Now let's flip, and look at that beauty. Nice and crunchy. Nice. Yum, look at the cheese. Wow, what a taste. I can eat this every single day. The avocado and the salsa give it amazing taste, and crunchy from the outside. The egg and the vegetable still a little al dente. It's amazing breakfast quesadilla, and was super easy to make. So all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Take care.